Hi, I'm Molly here in the Education Department of the University of Nebraska State Museum. And today we have a fun activity for you to try a design challenge making an aluminum foil boat. And so to find this activity, we have it available on the museum's website. Visit museum.unl.edu. And when you're on our homepage, you can click on the free at-home activities to find this and other fun things to do. So in the past, Nebraska had a western interior seaway, and so we had an inland sea here, which is why we find so many fossils of sea life. And so today we're doing a design challenge, and we'll be building an aluminum foil boat. And the catch is that you only get to use one piece of aluminum foil. Let's get started on the activity. So first you'll want to gather your materials. You'll need aluminum foil, and we've cut it into 6-inch squares to help with the activity. You also need a bin of water. If you don't have a handy bin like this, you can use a bucket, you can fill up a bathtub, you can fill up a trash can even. And then you'll also need something to test your experiment. So you'll want pennies or washers. We didn't have enough, so we have some nuts available to use to try to sink our boat. So then you'll want to build your boat. And while kids are building, we really want to get into what they're doing and why. Ask them to explain their reasoning so that we can understand why they've made the choices they've made with their boat. You might ask questions such as, why are you building it that way? Or how do you think that will help the boat hold the most water? And our activity guide has a lot of handy tips on there for you. So once the kids have built their boat, they can test it in the water. So they'll plop the boat in the water, and then you can help them count out how many washers they can fit in there. And one of the things that we can recommend is you might also ask them questions such as, why are you putting all the washers in one place? Do you think it might help if we spread them out? And you can also help them count. So we're at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you might also want to recommend that they gently place the washers. 12, 13. Oh no! All right. So our boat sank after 14 washers. And the great thing about this experiment is that you can redesign your boat and try it again. Once you've tried designing a couple of different types of boats, you can compare them and talk about what types of design features are common in the boats that held the most pennies, what type of design features worked really well, what you would try again, and it can give you ideas of how to further the experiment. One of the fun things about this challenge is that you could try seeing who in your household can get the most pennies in their boat. And when you have a really high number, you can try to post it on our Facebook and share it with us, and we'll see who has the highest one. I've seen kids do 30 or 40, so see if you can beat that. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy running your experiments at home. Be curious, ask questions, and have fun.